How to use the flash fill function in Excel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can use the flash fill function in Excel. First of all, you want to open Microsoft Excel on your laptop or PC. As you can see here, I have some data. I have the first name, last name, and phone number in the same cell. Now, if you only want the first and last name, then what you can do is copy this and paste it in a different cell from the formula bar. However, if you have lots of data, it will be difficult for you to do this one by one manually. In this case, you can use the flash fill function. Click on the option of data and click on this icon. Flash fill automatically fills in values. All you have to do is enter a couple of examples you want as output and keep the active cell in the column that you want filled in. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+E. Once you click on this, as you can see, first and last name has been automatically added. Now you can do the same for the first name only as well. Now, if you only want the phone numbers, you can do that as well. All you have to do is copy the phone number first and paste it in the first cell. Then click on the flash fill option, and in rest of the cells as well, the phone number will be added. And this is how you can use the flash fill function. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.